In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see pre-market and extended hours data in TradingView. Being able to view what happens outside of the regular market session is really important, especially if you follow big names like Apple, Tesla, or Nvidia. A lot of major price moves can start in pre-market or after hours trading, and if your chart only shows the regular session, you're missing a big part of the picture. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn on extended hours data on your TradingView chart. First, make sure you've opened a chart for a stock like AAPL, TSLA, or NVDA inside TradingView. It doesn't have to be one of these specifically, but they're good examples because they tend to have active pre-market and after-hours trading. Once your chart is open and you can see the candles, move your mouse anywhere over the chart area. Now, right-click directly on the chart. This will open a context menu with a list of options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This is where you control most of the visual and data-related options for your chart. A settings window will pop up, usually with several tabs across the top or along the side. Find and click the tab labeled Symbol. This section controls how the specific symbol on your chart is displayed, including how sessions are handled. Inside the Symbol tab, look for a subsection called Session. This is where TradingView lets you choose which trading hours you want to show. By default, many charts are set to regular, which means you're only seeing normal market hours and not anything that happens before the open or after the close. Click on the option that currently says Regular. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Extended. Choosing Extended tells TradingView to include both the regular session and the pre-market and after-hours data on your chart. Once you've selected Extended, you should see the chart update. Depending on your color scheme, extended hours might appear slightly faded or shaded differently from regular hours, but the key is that you'll now be able to see price action that happens outside the main session. This is especially useful if you're tracking news events, earnings releases, or big gap moves that start before the bell. That's all you need to do. By changing the session from regular to extended in the symbol settings, you unlock a much more complete view of the market in TradingView.